Dahil literal nakakaligo ko lang. Like, I don't know if this is normal, but for the first time ever sa lahat ng sabon na na-try ko so far, first ever kong ginamit itong retinol kojic serum soap ng Thai Beauty Shop. Hindi ako na-disappoint. Ipa-remove ko ng makeup. Girl! And then ngayon, like, ginamit ko siya sa whole body ko. And I'm not disappointed about the quality, the performance. You know what I'm saying. And, ate girl, let me talk to you, okay? So, ayan, bumili ako nito. Ito, hindi pa siya, hindi pa siya bukas kasi dalawa yung binili ko para makakuha ako ng voucher. And guess what? Voucher and free shipping fee. Girl, I'm feeling the glow. Okay? So, thank you, Miss Aya, for putting some hype on your product because it's really working. I mean, this is Kojic soap, but it's not that, it's not that, ano, irritating. Okay? Kasi, ah, Silka and this, Silka and this. At sobrang tipid niya, girl. Like, kinahawakan ko lang 'to sa kabilang kamay ko while nagkukuskus ako ng isang, like, alam niyo na yun, ng isang kamay ko sa other body parts ko. Tapos, pagkuskus ko sa ibang body parts ko, like, sobrang, I'm not hyping, like, overhyping the product, but here you go. My face is really blooming. I mean, for me. I don't know if, nakikita mo ba? This is blooming, guys. Wala pa akong moisturizer niyan, Meet ako dito cause, hey, hello. 24 karat magic. So, yan. If gusto niyong magkaroon ng blooming skin din, girl, it's my first day na gamitin siya sa buong body ko and all I can say is thank you, Thai Beauty Shop. Kudos to you, Miss Ayang. Ayan. Hi guys! Quick review lang. Okay? Bye!